Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today's video is an eye-opener for everybody because I am talking about two multi-baggers in the Nifty 50 large cap stocks. The first one is Titan Company. Rupees 3,000 invested every month for 10 years, May 2011 to April 2021 as SCP. First year investment is 36,000. What you got is 42,804. And coming to the 10th year, you invested 3,60,000 and again total amount cumulative comes to 14,48,843. When I take that as a percentage, it comes to 23.82%, whereas the total money you got was 14.48. The same thing when I compare it to post office, rupees 3,000 invested every month in RD or post office, it comes to investment total of 3,60,000, but value of investment as on today will be 5.29 lakhs and at the rate of 7.50 interest notional. Now I am going to give you one more example of Titan as a lump sum payment, and the lump sum payment of 3,60,000 invested from May 2011. So 2011-12, your figure went to 4.74 lakhs, and then going continuously to 2020 and 2021, your final figure came to 29.39 lakhs. Coming to CAGR calculation, it works to 23.83%. And my dear friends, some more wonderful calculation we have done. 2001 to 2021. If you had invested in the same Titan company for 21 years non-stop, then instead of getting 29 into 2, 58 lakhs, compounding works out to 19 crore 76 lakhs and it comes to 37.07%. Why I am saying is because in compounding, longer you keep, more is the astounding profits. Suppose you invested in the bank deposit, the same money, 3,60,000 rupees lump sum, it would work out to 7.50 and 7,41,971. Now I am coming to the second multi-bagger stock, the HDFC Bank. 3,000 invested every month for the last 10 years, finally comes to 10,30,079 rupees. Percentage wise, it works out to 18.25% CAGR per annum. The same money, RD 3,000 in bank works out to 5.29756 and a rate of 7.50. Now HDFC Bank 3,60,000 in lump sum from May 2011 works out first year 4.06 lakhs and the 10th year it comes to 21 lakhs 75,000. Percentage wise it comes to 19.46%. Same period bank deposit of 3,60,000 comes to 7.41 lakhs at the rate of 7.50%. Now I have some 6 observations to make. First, the longer the time duration for investment, the higher is the future value. Suppose an investor holds it for 21 years instead of 10 years, the money gettable is not double, it almost goes 10 times probably higher, as in the case of Titan, which was giving you somewhere around 20 lakhs or so. Suddenly, when we started putting lump sum for 21 years, it worked out to somewhere around 19 crores. Second observation, tax on long-term investment is only 10% compared to interest on RD, which can go up to 30%. The third observation, more compounding happens at the end of the period. Everybody should understand. For example, suppose I keep the amount for 10 years. I get X amount. If it's 15 years, it will be 2X. 20 years, it will be definitely 4X in compounding. The fourth observation is, many of the people who are investors think that this scheme is not meant for me because I have to invest every month compulsorily. No need. 1 month you miss 3,000, doesn't matter. Next month you can put 6,000, still it compensates. The fifth observation is, these are the examples of the 2 stocks I have given from Nifty 50 large cap stocks. Normally, large cap stocks, the profit will be less but very safe, unlike mid caps and small caps. That's why we are giving example of only Nifty 50 stocks for your benefit. The sixth observation is, we have conducted umpteen number of surveys in large gatherings that people can comfortably save around 3,000 rupees effortlessly every month. Since that is the case, this calculation holds good. Anybody who is poor, maybe a carpenter, maybe a plumber, maybe an electrician, maybe a daily wager, maybe a maestri in a construction company, get sufficiently high income, somewhere to the tune of 1,000 rupees a day, and they can comfortably save 3,000. They can look after their children education, children marriage, and also very comfortable retirement. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Video is good, press the like button. This video is an eye-opener. Send this to all your friends. And then, my dear friends, the content of the video is good and useful. In the comment box, type useful. Thank you for watching this whole video. Bye-bye. All the best.